Today I'm showing you how to add an overlay to your videos on the Edits Instagram app on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Update Edits app. Open the Google Play Store and search for Edits by Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Tap Update if needed. Step 2. Open Edits by Instagram app. Open the Edits by Instagram app on your Android phone. Step 3. Go to Projects. Make sure you're on the Projects tab at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Create New Project. Tap the plus sign to create a new video project. Step 5. Select Main Video. Choose the main video you want to use as your base. This will be the background video. Tap on it to select, then tap Add or the Done icon. Step 6. Add Overlay. At the bottom of the editing screen, tap Overlay. Step 7. Choose Overlay Media. Select a photo or video from your gallery that you want to use as the overlay. This will appear on top of your main video. Step 8. Position Overlay. Once selected, the overlay appears on your video. Tap and drag it to reposition. Use the corners to resize the overlay to make it smaller or larger. Step 9. Preview Overlay. Tap the play button to preview how your video looks with the overlay. The overlay appears on top of the main background video. Step 10. Adjust Duration. On the timeline, drag the edges of the overlay clip to extend or shorten how long it stays on screen. Step 11. Fine-tune Position. Continue adjusting the size and position of the overlay until it looks exactly how you want. Step 12. Export Video. When satisfied, tap Export or the share icon to save your video with the overlay effect. And that's it! You've successfully added an overlay to your video on the Edits Instagram app on your Android device.